We have an update in the sexual misconduct civil lawsuits against Houston Texans quarterback Deshaun Watson.
Yeah, this is all coming as we approach the one-year mark since those bombshell allegations started to surface. Fox 26's Tiffany Justice was in the courtroom today and is live with what may be next for Watson. Tiffany.
Right, Jonathan, we can expect the depositions in the civil cases to start soon within the next 10 days, but there are exceptions, and both parties still need to decide on a date.
It is said that justice delayed is justice denied. Mr. Watson can continue to seek delay, but it's inevitable that he will eventually and ultimately have to answer questions about his conduct under oath.
I'm hopeful and trusting that the public will listen to us when we say, he didn't do what he is accused of doing. I'm hopeful and trust that that'll be a conclusion of a grand jury.
A special hearing was held Monday in regard to the civil cases filed against Texans Deshaun Watson in court. Rusty Hardin, who was representing Watson, asked the judge to delay the deposition of his client until there is a resolution with the criminal cases filed against him, saying there will be prejudicial impacts.
I know that Deshaun is more than willing to give his testimony and to give depositions. I'm saying as his lawyer, I think it'd be crazy to allow it until we know what's going to happen on the criminal side.
The judge citing on both sides ruling the depositions can go on, but they will be restricted to the 9 accusers who have not filed a criminal complaint. In total, there are 22 women who have filed a civil lawsuit against Watson claiming sexual misconduct, including lewd behavior and sexual assault during massage therapy sessions. Attorney Tony Busby, who is representing all 22 women in the civil cases, tells us he considers today a victory, extending his disappointment to the NFL organization.
You would think that someone whose legal team has called every one of these women liars, has criticized me and has loudly declared his complete innocence, would be ready to speak publicly under oath as he originally agreed. But instead he ducks and runs for cover. The NFL is all talk and no action when it comes to treatment of women.
And now Rusty Hardin saying in court today he hopes by April 1st they will know what the grand jury decides and if there will be any criminal charges. Reporting live, Tiffany Justice, Fox 26 News.